Thank you again for your interest in this course, Introduction to Java, a presentation of coding boot camps. This was the Java programming language, how to write code in Java. The topics we learned in this class, again, fundamentals of the programming development lifecycle, application development fundamentals, introduction to classes and objects, flow control, writing Java methods, data structures such as Java arrays. We went deeply into classes and objects, and we looked at classes using inheritance. And we also looked at polymorphism. And this is very useful. We looked at how Java manages files and streams. Congratulations, you have finished this class. Some other classes to consider: learn blockchain development with Quarta, Java programming at the intermediate level, and learning Kotlin programming by examples. Please check back with Coding Bootcamps for more information on these courses. Thank you again, and thank you for taking this course presented by Coding Bootcamps, and we'll see you in the next class.